Good morning to all. Standard 12 Science. Today we showing practical number 13. It's a live demo of prism. Now this theoretical topics now you showing in the standard 10. Now angle of incidence, angle of emergence, and both angle meet each other like angle of incidence and angle of emergence. So we found a value of angle of deviation. So this practical, we have a known value of angle of incidence, and with the help of angle of incidence, today we found a value of angle of deviation. And finally, we solve a one equation. Means, so today our setup, the only one prism. So what is the aim? To determine the angle of minimum deviation for a given glass prism by plotting a graph between the angle of incidence and the angle of deviation. So what we require in this practical, first one, a drawing board, a glass prism, meter scale, drawing pins, graph paper, protector, white paper sheet. So today a compulsory we want a one compass box, no empty, but like a scale, a protector, a rounder, a pencil. So first we showing a image. How can possible? So first, as per the drawing, we showing a one triangular, and this triangular have one side. We draw a one normal ray is 90 angle, and we have a known value of angle of incidence. So we create here a angle of incidence, and with the help of angle of incidence, we found a value of angle of reflection. So now both the angle meet each other, so it is a angle of deviation. So it is possible whenever we perform the practical, and that time we showing how can possible the angle of deviation should become. So this practical again want some observation. So first value, list count of the protector. So it's compulsory is a 1 degree, you know very well, because in the maths you using this protector. And angle of the prism, theoretical, 60, because the prism is a triangular and made with the 180 degree. So one part of one ray it is a 60. So angle of prism a 60 is a known value. The exam time the given from the examiner. So now today we showing this table, very simple, very easy. Nothing any more calculation. Just only an angle of incidence I. It is a known value the examiner given to you, and with the help of angle of incidence, we found a value of angle of deviation. Simple table, simple practical, nothing like a more problem create in this practical, but some accuracy. Whenever you create some accuracy in this practical, definitely this practical have the angle of deviation, the value should become a faulty or compulsory. Now, so today we found a value of a coefficient like a Ri value, incidence value. So we have the equation like eta. This equation have a sine a plus delta m by 2 by sine a by 2. Now this equation we have a value of a. A is the angle of prism, but we have no value of delta m. So what is the delta m? Delta m means it is a minimum value of deviation. We have a loss of value of deviation, and with the help of graph we found a value of the minimum deviation value, and this value we put on the equation. So definitely we solve the equation, and our answer should become a 1.53 or this practical, but as per theoretical the glass Ri value it is a compulsory 1.5 maybe. So here, suppose you want the value should become a 1.5, so definitely the angle of deviation minimum one value should become on 40 only, not minimum should become 39, 38. Whenever you take a 5 rings, and suppose one value deviation should become 45, no problem. One value 44, no problem. At least one value 1 of 40 compulsory. So your value should become a 1.5. So here I represent here a one angle like a 65, and that way we found a value angle of deviation of 40. So now we starting here live videos, first introduction, and then after we showing how can draw a diagrams, and then after a calculation. So let's start here a live videos. So each and everyone enjoy. Welcome to all. Now today we perform a practical number 13. So now this practical we found an angle of deviation of a given prism, and then after with the help of deviation we found the value of Ri like a refractive index. So equation eta is equal to sine a plus delta m by 2 by sine a by 2. Now A is the angle of prism, so 60, and after perform the practical, we found the value of delta, and after we decide a minimum value of delta and we put here. So definitely we solve the equation and we found the answer. So normally, what is the value of Ri of a given prism? It is a glass surface, so definitely it is the answer is 1.5. So we found here approximate 1.5 or near equal. So now this practical, we want a one glass prism. So it is one of the prism have a triangular surface, and after the prism we want a one blank page. So now you see here, now it is a one blank page, is a drawing sheet, and after a wooden bar, and then after we want a pin. So with the help of pin we found a point here like a angle of deviation. So what is the procedure? Now whenever starting before the practical, because in this practical we perform total of 5 angle, means we create here a one diagram, we draw a one diagram, and we have a some angle of incidence. So with the help of angle of incidence we found an angle of emergence, and with the help of incidence and the emergence definitely we found a value of deviation. So in this year syllabus total we have a 5 or 6 angle to perform this practical of angle of angle of incidence. But here in the live practical we showing here only the one angle like a 65 of angle of incidence. So whenever any angle you perform, but one procedure common, which one? First you put a one page, and then after you put a one prism in center in the landscape, and then after you draw a one triangular, you draw a surface of given this prism, and then after with the help of protector you create here a angle of incidence. So in the second part we showing this part. So now how to perform the practical? So it is a drawing base. So first we put a one drawing sheet and we using a one prism. Now this prism we put in the center in the landscape method. Now then after we mark here a three surface like a one surface, second surface, and the third one. So then after with the help of scale, so with the help of scale we connect here 3 points. So here we draw a one triangular. So after we take point here like a point of A, point of B, and point of C. So after point, now surface of AB, we point here a half of the point of AB. So it is approximately 4 centimeter. So we found here a center point like a 2 approximate. Now then after we using a protector, and this protector we put here in the center this, and so we point here a 90 of the angle. Now after with the center point we connect here. So it is a common in any angle whenever you perform this practical, but this process is a common. First you put a prism in the center, then after you draw one triangular, then after you give the point of ABC, and after the surface of AB you found a center point, and on the center point you take a one angle of 90 with the help of protector. So now today we perform the first angle, so angle of incidence. So here we showing here angle of incidence I is equal to 65 degree. Today we using the angle of I, it is a 65. So how can measure the 65? So this area, this surface, it is an angle of incidence, and this area angle of emergence, and here you found a value of angle of deviation as per the theoretical. So how to create angle of incidence 65? So now here you found this type of one line. So first you put here protector, and you have a value of 65 internally, so between 60 and 70. So it is a point of 65. Clear mention here, between 60 and 70. So with the help of scale again, now we connect here with the middle point. Okay, so it is the angle of incidence. Now after angle of incidence we want the value of angle of emergence. So this value we found here, but how can possible? So that time we using some pin, and this pin we put. So first we using a 2 pin, and 1 pin we fit on angle of incidence in straight. So first pin we put here in the straight, and the second pin we using again on this angle of incidence line we fit here. So after with the help of second more pins, and we found angle of emergence and angle of deviation. Now after fit a pin, now we put prism again. So whenever we draw the surface, we set here, and we put prism again here, and then after what is the procedure? How can we found angle of the emergence? So it is a simple method, like we showing here like this surface. So we found here. So now we see here 2 pin we found here. So it is this pin we put on the angle of incidence, but maintain the pin put on this straight base. So we found a one angle, and that angle base we using another. So after we put the prism again, and now we showing this 2 pin on second surface. So now we clear showing here a 2 pin in the prism. So now we using one more pin, and we put one of the angle. Now all these 3 pin come on this straight line. So you clear see here. So we set here. We mention here we want a 3 pin come on this straight line any one angle. You want a 1 point. So now this angle we show here, the straight line should be found here, because another angle we found here, it is not possible. So it is only one angle, and we found a straight line. Okay, so very easy. Whenever you showing for this angle, it is not possible. It is not possible. So only this angle you show here, it is common straight line. Then after we using a one more pin, and we fit on that place whenever all four pin come on straight line. So now you found here all four pin come on straight line. Okay, clear, see. Otherwise this angle you show here, it is not possible. It is not possible. Only this angle, whenever we show all four pin come on straight line. So here we found more 2 points. So with the help of pencil, so mark here, it is our first point. And then after the second point, and then after you remove this pin again. Now this pin you remove from the here. So after, with the help of a scale, we connect both the point. So with the help of two pin, we found 2 point more. So now with the help of a scale, we connect both the point and draw here. So as per theoretical, we found angle of deviation. How can possible? So it is an angle of incidence line, it is an angle of emergence line. So 2 points meet each other, so it is an angle of deviation. So with the help of a protector, we found an angle of a deviation. So how can we put a protector? So these 2 points, now here this is a center point. So now we set here a protector. So we found here it is an angle of a deviation and it is a 40. So we written here an angle of a deviation angle of deviation is equal to 40 degree. So as per this practical, in every time whenever using angle of incidence like a 60, 55, 50 or 45, but you maintain now every time a deviation should be common 40 maybe. So after showing all the videos, now we found here a angle of final deviation is of 40. Simple practical, simple process, and then after angle of incidence 60, 55, 50 or 45. Every time using the same method. But in the exam time, whenever you showing only the one angle, and definitely the examiner showing a one time only, and after you directly with the help of calculation, you directly draw a angle, no problem. So after a table, we showing here a one graph like an angle of incidence and angle of a deviation, and that base we want the value of delta m. So as per the graph we showing here the curve minimum value found here a delta, and that value we put on the equation. So we have a value of a is angle of prism 60, and the delta m we found here of 40, and the base of this sign values we found value of 1.53 is near equal of 1.5. So friends, simple practical, easy practical, simple table, simple process, simple logic, in the exam time, definitely each and everyone perform very easily. Okay, friends. Next time we are meet next practical.